So Willow Warbler and ring size 1 and 2 last numbers 8-2. Wing length is 68 millimeters. It's not as yellow as the last bird.
Gulliga fåglar.
Ja. All 8 grams.
And we can fly to Africa.
Oh,
And back again.
yeah, back over Sahara.
Amazing.
And that we got one bird. It was this same kind of bird. So it has first ring marked here. Then it has flown to Africa. 5 years later, so it was still here, at the same
it's gone
place.
back and forth 5
Little
times.
birds, yeah. So 5
times.
You can see it's not as yellow, but it has already molted everything, so it's fresh. So you should put HP 3.
Är det en 2 plus menar du?
Yes. At 3. $1.4. So I let it go unless you want to take a photo.
Yes, just a minute.